Hello, my name is Dr. Dewan S. Raja. Today I will discuss about cutaneous sensory receptors. We have many cutaneous sensory receptors. We'll go one by one. Number one, free nerve ending. It is distributed throughout our body in the skin. Location skin epidermis, the outer layer, dermis, the inner layer of the skin. Structure non-capsulated, delicate nerve fiber that arise from sensory nerve plexuses. Associated with A delta group 3 and C group 4 fibers. Project via the spinothalamic tract. Okay. Slow adapting receptors. Function primarily associated with pain and temperature, itching, also function as tactile receptors, the free nerve endings. Okay. We have these free nerve endings. We'll eventually know about everything like that of the Pacinian Corpuscles, End Bulb cruzi, and the Ruffini Corpuscles, and this is the Meissner's Corpuscles, also called tactile corpuscle. And free nerve ending should go to the epidermis, from the dermis to epidermis, distributed to the dermis. And we have the receptor from nerve plexus surrounding the root of the hair. Okay. Meissner's corpuscle, structure elliptical, approximately 150 micron long, with an outer capsule from the perineurium containing stacked inner layers of modified Schwann cells in the dermal papilla, around which course sensory action, distribution, fingers, toes, palm, hand, feet, hairless skin, lip, tongue, nipple, genitalia, joint capsule, ligaments, okay, and ligaments. Function, initiate impulse to light touch or low frequency stimuli. 2-point discrimination, decrease in the number of the as age advances, the diseases like scleroderma. In that condition, the receptor will be damaged or lost. Okay. Pacinian corpuscle, large oval lamellated structure in the dermis and hypodermis, with an outer capsule and 10 to 25 thin concentric lamella of flattened Schwann cells, and collagen surrounding a highly branched axon, very fast adapting receptors containing group 2 fibers, also found in the connective tissue of the organ, located deep to the body, rectum, urinary bladder. Function serves coarse touch, pressure, and vibration via the dorsal column mediated lemniscus pathway. Okay, we'll go to the Meissner's corpuscle, Pacinian corpuscle. Here is the Meissner corpuscle, and this is looking like a cut onion. This is the Pacinian corpuscle. Axon is here. Okay. Then we'll go to the Merkel cell, located in the epidermis, not in the dermis, in hairy and non-hairy skin, are associated with expanded nerve endings, project via centrally via spinothalamic tract and the dorsal medial lemniscus pathway, project centrally via spinothalamic tract, the dorsal medial lemniscus pathway. Function of Merkel cell, They are mechanoreceptor, a tonic receptor for sustained light touch and for sensing the texture of an object. Okay, so this is the Merkel cell. It's colored a little bit darker than the other cell. This is the axon. It entered to. Here is the Swan cell. This is the tactile cell, the Merkel cell, and here this part is non-myelinated. Okay, so this is the receptor called Merkel cell. Mechanoreceptor, a tonic receptor for sustained light touch and for sensing the texture of an object. Okay, cutaneous sensory receptor will go to the End bulb cruci or Krause end bulbs are simple, delicately encapsulated. That means thin encapsulated ovoid structure penetrated by a sensory fiber. They are found in the skin of penis and clitoris. Krause end bulb to sense low frequency vibrations. Then Ruffini corpuscle has fusiform capsule adhere to the surrounding connective tissue, and the axon is stimulated by tension or distortion of the skin. Root hair plexuses, a network of sensory nerve fibers surrounding the base of the hair follicle, located in the reticular surface of the dermis, and senses the movement of the hair. This is the root hair plexus. Okay, this is an image of multiple receptors. Let's go there one by one. Okay, so here we have the free nerve ending afferent nerve fibers. This part is myelinated, that part is not myelinated, which is penetrating the basal membrane. Then going between the epithelial cell, it may reach to the skin. Okay, then Merkel cell, yes, this part is myelinated, then becomes unmyelinated, and it touches the base of the cell. Okay, this is the Merkel cell, disc receptor of afferent nerve fiber. Okay. Then this is another item. Okay, so this is the end bulb cruci. Okay, this is the end bulb cruci. The dendritic branches of afferent nerve fibers encapsulate. This is encapsulated. All the encapsulated receptors are mechanoreceptors. Okay, then we got the here. If we go there, then we'll get Ruffini corpuscle. Ruffini corpuscle is here, and this is the Ruffini corpuscle. This is the most simplest form. Capsule is very thin. Okay, dendritic branches of the different nerve fibers. Capsule. Okay, we got that. We got the Ruffini. This we got the end bulb cruci. Okay, this is the Pacinian corpuscle, and this is the Merkel cell here. And in the cut section of the Pacinian corpuscle, you get the core wilted axon here. Going to that level, this part is unmyelinated. Okay, so this is the Pacinian corpuscle. This is different from the free nerve ending. This is the free nerve ending. Okay, and here we get the Meissner's corpuscle, Pacinian corpuscle. Then This is the end bulb cruci. Okay. Then if you go there, here Krause End Bulb, Ruffini Corpuscles, and root hair plexuses. If you go there again, root hair plexuses, we have not shown here. In the previous image we have shown there is nerve fiber that surrounds the follicle of the hair. And that's all about the cutaneous sensory receptors. If you have any question, please feel free to ask me. Please share the information with your friends. And please support my channel. Please subscribe me. Have a nice day. Bye now.